Hey guys, in front of me is a Copystar CS7002i, which is exactly the same as the Kyocera 7002i. And if you're just getting this machine installed in your office, or you just had this delivered from us, you need to install the disposal unit, which will come, if you're getting the machine from us, it's going to come like this with a little tape there and a baggie with 3 screws, and this needs to be installed in back of the machine, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how easy it is. All you need in this for the installation is a Phillips screwdriver, number 2 Phillips screwdriver, any regular. We're going to be using a power one just to make it quicker, but you don't need a power one. So let's go ahead and walk over to the back of the machine. Okay, so here's the back of the machine. As you can see, you're going to see a rectangular opening there, and that's where it's going to slide in. So I'm going to have my technician grab the box and show you how quick it is. Again, if you're getting the machine from us, you're going to have a little baggie here with 3 screws in it. We're going to set that there. Now, we're going to go ahead and find the opening there. Just push it in just like that. And now we're going to grab our screws. We're going to do one here on the left side. We're going to do here one on the right. And the last one way in the bottom, right there. Okay, now the last step is to plug in that cable right in there. Just make sure you push it in there, it's seated properly, and guess what guys, it's it. Now, of course, you have to do this when the machine is off. You can't do this when it's on. If you fail to put this disposal unit in, you will get an error code, which is a C7480 or so. So don't stress if you do that. Just make sure you power the machine off, install this bottle, and that code will go away. Good luck, guys.